latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Around 6 months after its discovery, the COVID-19 pandemic has progressed from a mere endemic to a pandemic. The coronavirus has affected almost all corners of the world with millions of positive COVID-19 cases. The elderly and people with a compromised immune system are at a higher risk of contracting the disease. Some recent reports have shown that children develop less severe symptoms of the virus. However, it's not a case to rejoice, as a new post-infectious phenomena of COVID-19 is threatening children. Multisystem inflammatory syndrome is a condition where different parts of the body become inflamed. The most common affected organs include the heart, lungs, kidneys, brain, skin, eyes, and gastrointestinal organs. This disease is a new health condition seen in children infected with COVID-19 and recovered from the disease. After recovery, the children develop an immune response that resulted in symptoms of high levels of inflammation in the body. It was observed that children with MIS-C do not have visible symptoms of COVID-19 when infected with coronavirus. The life-threatening complication affects children in the age groups of 0 to 19 years. Doctors have noticed MIS-C to be similar to Kawasaki disease shock syndrome. A recent study on the imaging of children diagnosed with MIS-C was published in the journal Radiology. According to the study, the Evelina London Children's Hospital witnessed huge cases of children suffering from MIS-C. Some of the symptoms observed in the patients include fever, headache, abdominal pain, rash, and conjunctivitis. Our hospital saw an unprecedented cluster of children presenting with MIS-C, a new hyperinflammatory syndrome in children related to the current COVID-19 pandemic, the recognition of which led to a national alert. The researchers reviewed the laboratory findings of the first 35 children admitted in the hospital for MIS-C. The children were under the age of 17 years and the median age of the group was 11 years. Some of the common symptoms observed were fever, vomiting, diarrhea, rashes, and more, with fever being the most common symptom. Researchers also noted that all children had a very high level of white blood cells. A high white blood cell count may indicate that the immune system is working to destroy an infection. The medical fraternity is still learning about MIS-C and how it affects children. They are yet to understand why some children get infected with MIS-C and not others, and whether certain health conditions predispose a child to the disease.